We'll guide you through how to convert an iPhone photo to a JPG or JPEG. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you want to go and convert an iPhone photo to a JPG. Perhaps you're trying to go and upload it somewhere and the iPhone photo format isn't being accepted. So if I go and open up my photos, this is the photo I want to do this with. If you go down to the middle at the bottom, you see the little eye icon. Go and tap on it. If you look over to the right of where it says Apple iPhone 17, you can go and see the format. Currently, it's in HEIF. Now, it's important to know a JPG is also the same as a JPEG, a JPEG. So go and press the share button in the bottom left, and you want to scroll down and find Save to Files. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and put it somewhere you can easily find it. Keep pressing the back button in the top left till you on Browse and press On My iPhone. Press the three dots in the top right and press New Folder. Name this what you want. I'm going to name this Convert. Tap on it and go and press Save. Then what you want to do is come out of Photos and open up your Files app and press Browse in the bottom right. Come to On My iPhone and you want to go and find the Convert folder. Here it is. And then what you want to do is go and tap on long hold on it. Go down and you can go and press Quick Actions and you can go and press Convert Image. Choose the format. We can choose JPEG. That is the same as JPG. It's just a little longer. You can select the original to keep the quality the same or go and shrink it. It's up to you. And there it is. Now made it into a JPEG, also known as a JPG. Tap and hold your finger on it and you want to go and press Share and then Save Image. And you can see that it's now a JPEG, also known as a JPG.